You post online, want for likes, for comments. Why? Bro are you? You want strangers to tell you good? That is not real strength. Real strength is silent. Real strength don't need claps. It just works. Every day. When you train, nobody claps. When you pray, nobody sees. But that's where real you is built. Not for world, for you. You don't chase people. You chase growth. That's how champions think. Quiet grind, loud results. Internet can lie to you. Make you feel like you're doing something, but inside you're weak. Empty. That's why you must build your discipline. Offline, alone, when it's hard. That's where men are made. Not in views, in struggle. Don't be addicted to screen, be addicted to progress. The man who needs no likes is unstoppable. He's not chasing noise, he's chasing legacy. That's what your future self will respect, not clout. Real work, real growth,